Okay, so our usual sign convention, we have east as positive and west as negative. Okay, so we are going from 255 meters per second west to 160 meters per second east. So our change in velocity is going to be equal to our final minus our initial. So our final was 160 meters per second east. Is that positive or negative 160? Positive. Minus our initial, which is 255. Positive or negative? Negative, because it's west. So it's 160 minus negative 255, which is going to give us, what's that, 415 meters per second. Okay, now this 415, is that positive or negative? Just from our equation. Positive. It's positive. So is it east or west? East. So this tells us, because that 415 is positive, that just tells us that it is 415 meters per second east. And this sort of makes sense, right? So we started with our plane traveling west. In order to go east, we had to sort of cancel out this west vector and then add another one to the east. So it has to make this big turnaround to the east in order for it to go from west to east. Okay, it has to have this huge, you can picture it like a rocket. Okay, if a rocket is traveling west, we need to add a huge amount of force in the east direction to get it to turn around and go east, right? So this sort of thing makes sense. It helps to apply our common sense rule when we're doing problems like this as well. Okay, so we have had to add a huge amount of velocity to our east just to get it to turn around and then still have velocity in the east direction. All right. So with this, remember that universal formula. Our change is equal to the final minus the initial. Don't get that confused. Okay, it's always final minus initial. And the only other thing that will trip you up is your signs. So make sure you specify what the signs are nice and early, and then you should be okay. Any questions? All right, have a go at the next one.